How to pair the A1 smartwatch or the GT08 smartwatch to a iPhone, and we're gonna go ahead and set it up. So first things first, let's start from this screen here. So you'll press the power key here and then take you to the home screen here. Then you'll press menu. And when you're here, just go ahead and browse until you see the Bluetooth icon right there. So go ahead and tap on the Bluetooth icon there. This might have a little delay in response here there. But once you reach here, go ahead and press the word power so you can switch to on, all right? So you'll tap on it, it'll say switching, and then it's gonna say it's on. Then you wanna tap on the word visibility. That's gonna have to also say on so that we know it's turned on. Then select where it says search new device. Now from here on, leave it like that. And on your iPhone here, you wanna go into the Bluetooth settings of your iPhone. So I would recommend that you go through here where the settings is. And while in the main settings there, you'll go to where it says Bluetooth and then turn on your Bluetooth settings, all right? So just tap on that. Mine just seemed to have a delay here. Okay, there you go. And it's gonna start searching for nearby devices. You'll see it says other devices here. And while it's doing that, on the A1 smartwatch here, what you're gonna do is select where it says search new device. Okay, so go ahead and do that, press that. And it's gonna say searching, and you'll wait for the name of your iPhone to show up. Yes, that's the name of my iPhone, not your iPhone, okay? Now, when it does show up, you'll have to do these side by side, all right? So you'll see that, you'll tap on that there. Okay, that's timing out fast. So press pair. All right, it's taking long here. Okay, so, and then make sure they're matching the numbers. So you'll have to catch these really quick. Okay. And just wait for it to be fully connected. It'll say connecting, and it says connected to your iPhone, and it'll tell you right here that it's connected. Okay, and that's that. You're fully connected and ready to use your A1 smartwatch. That's going to show up like that, the not connected, but just let it catch itself again. And to know that it's fully connected, it'll give you the name of your iPhone here, and you'll see that icon right there, which means you're connected to the iPhone. All right, so that's that. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.